This colorful bird has visited my garden for 16 days in a row, and so I could observe its special behavior. The main food consists of small fish. Since I have too many in my pond, he could fish without a limit. At least now I know why it's called Kingfisher. It's a male. You can see it from the completely black beak. Thanks to its streamlined body, it can reach speeds of up to 80 km per hour. After a few days he gets familiar, which is rather unusual. Choosing a good spot to overlook the pond, he waits patiently for prey and then attacks very quickly. He does not care about the cat, and even I can approach him up to 5 meters. The Dutch name is quite confusing. It literally means ijsbird, but this bird cannot withstand freezing temperatures at all. When the water is frozen, it cannot catch enough fish, and this reduces its fat reserves, causing the feathers to absorb too much water. As a result, many die of hunger or cold in harsh winters. On normal days he eats his own weight of fish, which is only about 40 grams. The Kingfisher has a fast metabolism. He first tries to kill the fish by hitting it on a hard surface and then swallows it whole, at first to prevent any spines from getting stuck in its throat. And it began to snow and to freeze severely. He could catch one last prey and then disappeared. Soon it will be spawning time and the stock will be replenished. I'm sure the Kingfisher will return next year if it survived this winter.